Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm gonna be showing you how to pan a track in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with panning a track. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my track. So I'm going to open up audio recorder right here. This is going to go ahead and open up this recording menu. Where in the upper left corner we can open up edit mode to take us to the mixing mode where we can find all of our tracks. And now we can get started with panning them. So basically guys, what we want to do to be able to pan our tracks is the following. You want to go ahead and find the track you want to pan. So let's say this audio recorder option right here. So now I'm going to click on my track right here. This is going to open up this menu where one of the options is called automation. So you want to click on automation, and guys, now this is where we can get started with panning. So here you can automate your track and you can drag it to whatever side you want. So you can make it either to be heard only on the left side, on the left ear, on the right, and so on. So you can automate your track right here to your desired effect and get your panning effect done by putting it to either ear. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.